Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a website easy and very fast. So let's start. Now this is the site. This is the website we are going to use to create our website. So it's very easy. You just have to log in or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up. You can give your name, email address, and you can set a password for this account. You can sign up with Facebook or G+, log in with your Facebook. So when you're a beginner and when you just created an account, this is what you see actually. So you have to get started. So I'm going to exit to since I know how to do this. I have just one site here. This is how you're going to add your first website. You're going to click on this icon, add site. So these are the templates they give you. So you have to choose one for your website as it is relevant for the content you are going to write. You have to choose this. I will go with this. Okay. Now this is going to be your website. This is how it is going to look like. This your when you write your post, it will appear just like this. So I'm going to start editing this template. Here is where you have to choose a domain. When you use a domain is what you enter to your website URL. Like this website is www.weebly.com. So we are going for a subdomain because it is free. We can launch a website without wasting money for anything actually. So use a subdomain. Our subdomain will always have weebly.com at the end, and we have to select our domain. When you select the domain, just make sure your domain matches with the name of your website. Okay, let's say our website name is Life and Fantasy. I mean, your website name is Life and Fantasy. So I'm going to say my website and Life and Fantasy. Now this is my website. Your URL will be http lifeandfantasy.weebly.com. It is not lifeandfantasy.com because you didn't buy a domain. We are just using Weebly to publish our website. So we are using a subdomain at the moment. So if you have own a domain, you can use it here, or you can buy a domain from here. This is my website name. I say Life and Fantasy. This is our home page. If you want to change this, you can edit background, replace the image, or then you can set to about page. About page includes what this website is about. Something, just put some few lines. Then you have to go to contact and you have to add a contact form and say, so now the user needs to have a form fill here, and we are not going to write a form field because we are not programmers, so we are going to drag and drop a form field. So you can find everything just in here. Here's the contact form. we're taking it here, drag and drop. Now this is it. Fill the form and the submit button is everything is just here. You just have to save this, and then we have a contact page, about page. Let's say at the moment we don't need this tab. Okay, this is a new page, we don't need that one. Let's say we don't need it, so we are going to pages and click on this, and we are going to delete it. Press delete. Now you can see this press will no longer be here. Now let's say if we want to add like a sitemap, we are going to add a standard page. We can say map. The sitemap is here. If you want to add another blog page, you can go here. You can say live. Done. We can change the order of this. The home is here. We can say live. Blog is here. Then we can say about, contact, sitemap. You just have to drag and drop up and down. It will change here when you change it here. So you can change these things. You can edit or remove. You can do anything you want with that. So let's see how to add your first blog post. For that, now we are in pages tab, where we handle pages, where we add pages, where we delete pages, where we set the order of the pages. Now we are going to go to build. From build, we can add a new blog post. New post. Post title is here, my first post. And you have to drag text. This is my first post. Then you can add an image if you want, or you can add a slideshow. All these things you can add here. You can add a button. So let's say I'm going to upload an image here. I just uploaded an image, and if I want to add another title, then we can add some text here. Something, write something. You can add a divider if you want. If you want to divide this part from another paragraph or something, then you can add and divide. This line, you can see this line, the divide does. So you can write some of something. All these things you can just drag and drop and try. If you add space here, it takes this space. You can add the YouTube video. Just everything is here, so you just have to go and check them all. So this is our first post. I'm going to, you can save it. If you save it, you are not publishing it, but if you post it, you will be publishing it to your website. So I'm going to post it. When I publish my website, this post will be visible. For now, it is posted. Published, it will be posted. So now I have two blog posts under this page, and then I have my home page. You can add a new post here. See, you didn't do any programming in here. You just drag and dropped, and you can do anything. People can comment on your posts, and so this is how you create a website without worrying about development. You can do your blog settings here. You just have to get used to this template and go here, and you can add your SEO, site description, meta keywords. These things will be helpful for your website to be appear on Google in search rankings. So for the moment, I will just show you how to create this website, and later I will show you other things like SEO and everything, keywords. So let's go and publish. lifeandfantasy.weebly.com. You can change these pictures as you want. I didn't do it because I don't want to do that. This is just an example for you guys. So this is a new post. This is how the new post look like. This is and in the live tab we made another 2 blog posts, and this is how they are going to look like. See my second post here, my first post here. So all your blog posts will come here. And if I want to change something, I just have to go here, and let's say I want to edit this post. Do you want to add something more? Then you are going to do, just click on it. Now it opened for you. So you are going to add some texts here. Update this. Now you can see what happens when you update it. Just say few seconds, then it will update your website. Here, post published. Your post is edited now. Now when you refresh, you can see you edited everything is just here. So I think that's all you want to learn. You have to learn for your first website creation, and I think it might be helpful. If you didn't understand, just watch this slowly again and go to that website and see how you can handle it. So for now, I think it's okay and it's enough. You created the website, you choose a template, you added the domain, subdomain, then you created 2 blog posts, you added pages, you deleted pages, and you published your website, and you changed your content and you republished it. And so for the moment, this is enough. You go and just try to make a simple website.